So hi, I'm Rahat, founder of Quidich Innovation Labs. We're a company based out of India that's working a lot in sports broadcast and high technology with drones and buggies and spider cams. We shoot a lot of stock footage where we use the drones and send it across the country to be able to get a lot of archival footage from across the country and the world. And we're able to use that to provide to our customers as ready stock footage that they can use for enhancing the quality of their productions and their broadcast. We've been around for 5 or 6 years, and we've been using a lot of this technology. And over the period of time, we ended up with a lot of archival footage. And this was GBs and GBs and terabytes of data that was just sitting on hard drives. And we needed to figure the most optimum way of being able to access this footage and then reuse it for different projects and use cases. And just sitting on a computer and looking at hard drives, just so many different hard drives, just cataloging them was a very big challenge. So we spent a lot of time to be able to identify a good product that allows us to not just do the basic function of being able to catalog this stuff, but also allow a lot more than that. And that's kind of where we came across Axle, which wasn't just giving us a cataloging mechanism, but giving us a lot more where within a few clicks of a button, you had tagged each clip, you could find exactly what you needed, not just based on the date it was shot or which camera it was shot, but you could create entire meta tagging structures that allowed you to be able to search purely based on how our operators needed to find things. And I think the customization that was possible in Axle was extremely useful for us to be able to get exactly what we needed. And as a product out of the box, it's not just one size fits all. It gives you the opportunity to be able to create it exactly like what you need for your particular use case. And I think where we're being able to use it really well is to be able to use all of our existing footage as stock footage. And now, what earlier took us maybe 4 or 5 hours, where somebody would give us a call and they would say, oh, we need footage from this particular location or this particular area or this particular monument. What would take us at least 5 or 6 hours earlier is now a matter of minutes, just because of what Axle is able to do for us. So I think one of the key things that Axle has helped us is really adding efficiency to workflow. I think just the speed of turnaround with what was possible earlier with what is possible now is just dramatically changed for us. All of that footage was sitting on hard drives in our office, which the only person had to physically go into the office and actually look through everything. But I think now with Axle, the fact that everything automatically picks up from the NAS, converts to a low-res proxy, and then is available to us for anybody across the globe to be able to access and reshare, I think that just adds a whole different dimension for us to be able to add efficiency to the workflow and make sure that things move a lot faster than they did before. It's a time saver for everyone. It saves time for us to be able to find footage from our existing library, but it saves a lot of time for our customers, because if we weren't being able to provide this service, they would actually have to figure out a day where they would hire a drone, they would go out and shoot, and that whole process is a much longer process. So suddenly a lot of our clients are being able to get footage that's already been shot at just a few clicks away. And I think that for them is not just adding a lot of value for us from a business point of view, where we're being able to reuse a lot of existing footage, but even for our customers in terms of the amount of time it takes to be able to get access to footage like that. The only other alternative they would have would be to go out and actually shoot, which in this case, within a few minutes of having a conversation, they've got immediate access to that footage that would work for them.